In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see if somebody has blocked you on Snapchat. So first, open up Snapchat, go to your profiles and then click on My Friends. Now, if you suspect that somebody has blocked you and you don't see them right over here under My Friends, there's a good chance they have blocked you. The second way is go under My Friends again and just search for their name. If their name doesn't pop up, as with the first one, there's a high chance that they have blocked you. Now, the third option is you go to the search and you type in their name, for example, Kenny. If they show up as a friend that you can add, that means that they have blocked you and unblocked you, and you have to add them one more time. And the final way to do it is to basically take your friend's phone and try to find that same person under the same name. So let's say I want to find Kenny and I don't see Kenny here, but my friend sees the Kenny that I'm looking for. That means that Kenny has blocked me and hasn't blocked my friends. Because when somebody blocks you, you can add them, you can't view them, you can't do anything with them. So those are those 4 ways you can see if somebody has blocked you on Snapchat or potentially blocked you and then unblocked you. If this video has helped you, please like and subscribe and leave a comment, this video helped me. And if this video didn't help you out, leave a comment saying what was the problem and I'm going to do my best to help you out.